Hey everyone, welcome back to our travel blog. I'm Nina and today we are at UiTM Macang to explore one of Malaysia's most valuable cultural treasure, batik. History of batik. Batik is a traditional textile art that uses hot wax and dye to create patterns on fabric. It started thousands of years ago and became well known in Java, Indonesia. In Malaysia, batik developed mainly in Kelantan and Terengganu. Malaysian batik is inspired by nature, especially flowers and leaves, and is known for its bright color and simple design. Types of product. Malaysia batik has different types, including batik Kelantan, batik Terengganu, batik Sarawak, and batik Java. Each type has its own unique style, colors, and pattern based on its place of origin and production method. Batik.
Okay, now I will explain the subject analysis of our magnetic batik design. The design is inspired by floral batik motif. The flower and leaf create a natural and elegant appearance. For the element of art, the first element is shape. The floral shape are soft and curved, making the design look more attractive. Next is line. The bold outlines make the motif clear, while the curved line create more movement. The third element is a texture. The smooth surface and basic outlines make the design more interesting. Now let's look at the principles of art. First is a variety. The different flower shape, size and color make the design visually appealing. Second is a balance. The large floral motif is balanced by smaller motif around it, creating a harmonious composition. Lastly, repetition. The repeated floral pattern or curved leaf help create unity in the batik in a simple and creative way.
Now, let's hear some information about batik from our lecturer.
Next, fabric is prepared and the motif is drawn. Then, wax is applied to the design and fabric is colored. After the coloring process, the fabric is dry and the wax is removed. Finally, the batik is ready to be used as a beautiful product.
As you can see, making batik requires creativity, skill, and patience.
Hi guys, we are making a fridge magnet with a floral batik motif.
First, we selected batik sketch and prepared the materials needed for the fridge magnets. Next, we transfer the design into the product and add color to make it more attractive. After that, we let it dry and attach the magnet at the back. Finally, our fridge magnet is complete.
Hi guys, now let me introduce our product. Finally, our fridge magnet is complete. As you can see, the final product feature are beautiful batik design and the represent Malaysia culture in simple and creative way. It's colorful, attractive, and suitable as souvenir and or decoration.
Okay, now I will explain our product in more detail.
First, the function of this fridge magnet is to decorate refrigerators, whiteboards, and any magnetic surface. It can also be used as a souvenir that represents Malaysia batik culture. Next, the colors used in this design are bright and attractive. These colors make the product look cheerful and eye-catching. For the design, we choose a floral batik motif because flowers are one of the most popular elements in Malaysian batik, making it a unique and attractive product.
So overall, this fridge magnet is a simple, practical and a great way to promote Malaysian cultural heritage.
That's all for this stop on our batik journey here at UiTM Macang. Thank you for joining us and I hope you enjoy learning about the history product and beautiful motif of batik. Goodbye for UiTM Macang. Thank you.
Okey, untuk pengetahuan grup kami ada buat satu projek iaitu fridge magnet yang bertemakan corak batik. Jadi kami tahu pendapat Sir pada projek kami.
Okey, pada saya ini adalah satu projek yang sangat baik dan cukup menariklah. Okey, terutamanya bila kita hasilkan produk yang kita panggil sebagai dekoratif punya arts kan, yang mana selain daripada memantabatkan batik itu sendiri, ia juga sebenarnya produk ni sebenarnya boleh memperkenalkan batik Malaysia kepada pelancong-pelancong. Itu yang saya nampak lah, fresh magnet ni biasanya dibeli oleh pelancong-pelancong luar kan. Di situ kita boleh perkenalkan batik kita dekat masyarakat antarabangsa, betapa indah dan cantiknya batik kita. Dan bagi saya sangat menarik dan saya nak satu.
Okey, boleh sir. Kami akan bagi pada sir.
Dua lah.
Okey, boleh sir, boleh sir. Okey, terima kasih sir atas penjelasan tu.